You all have this question paper with you or not?
Yes.
Okay, come look at this question. If you didn't print the question, never mind lah. You just take a piece of paper, jot down the answer. Okay. This is from 4 last chapter, chapter 4 questions. Okay, diagram shows Ali standing. This is Ali, right? Standing at the side of a pond. This is a pond now. Ali can see the image of the fish. You see now, Ali can see the image of the fish. This is the image of the fish is here, but he can see the image of the fish. And the image of dragonfly, okay? Dragonfly is here, but he also can see the image. This is the image of dragonfly. This is the image of the fish. You can see, right? Okay, let me explain to you what happened here lah. Okay, the actual fish is here, right? So when you see something means the light go into your eyes, you know. So you see the light moving from the fish, go up, then bend. But Ali seen straight line. That's why the image is here. That's why he can see the image of the fish. Right not? Okay, then for dragonfly, he can see is because of the light from dragonfly, right? Hit the surface of the water and then get reflected into his eyes. When he see in the straight line, then he can see the image. Okay, so meaning that Ali can, please tell everyone to type good morning, sir. So I'm taking their attendance. Please type, ask them to type. Can I not? Tell them to type, everyone. Okay, so Ali can see the dragonfly because of reflection. This is reflection. So the light get reflected, then he can see. Whereas for this one, the fish, when you can see the fish, this is the light bend, not reflect at all. So this is refraction, F-R-A-C, refraction, the bending of light. Okay. So now, first question, what is the meaning of virtual image? Virtual is what? What is the meaning of virtual image? Okay, never mind. We see the question first. Later on, we're going to see the answer. Okay. Virtual means what? Any idea? Actress Young. You know what is virtual image or not? Huh? Actress Young? I cannot hear one. Vanessa? Virtual is what? What is virtual image? Virtual
image that is not real.
Hi, y'all. What is virtual?
Not real image, not man.
You cannot answer like that. People ask you what is positive, then you say not negative law, like that. If people ask you what is negative, then you say not positive. No, okay, the answer is like this lah. Virtual means the image cannot be projected on the screen. Meaning that you cannot project or you cannot capture the image on the screen one. That is called virtual. Real image is an image where you can capture on the screen. For example, when you look at yourself in the mirror, right? The image inside the mirror cannot projected on a piece of paper one, no, that one is virtual. Real one is like when you stand under the hot sun, then you can see your own image, isn't it? That image are projected on the ground. Ground is a piece of screen now. That is real, okay? Okay, then number 2. Explain how Ali can see the image of the fish and the image of the dragonfly. Okay, roughly it's like this. That's what I say already now. This one is refraction. Okay, whereas this one is reflection. So using two concepts, you can see the dragonfly and also the fish. Okay, calculate the angle theta and alpha. Okay, theta, I think very easy. Theta just like this. Because angle incident, angle reflection same. So once you know this angle, you know this angle lah. This one 30, so here is 60, correct? Not 60, then this one 60 lah. Okay. Whereas alpha, you have to use a formula lah. Use a reflective index equal to psi I over psi R. Okay. Reflective index given now. Okay, later on. Okay. Say one characteristics of image. Okay. This kind of image are characteristics of this dragonfly. One characteristics of image of dragonfly. Okay. There are so many you can talk about characteristics lah. You say virtual, this is virtual image, right? So on. Okay, now let's check the answer. Okay. Okay, answer here. Okay, now you can see the answer. Now they come in one by one. Okay. Tell them, please, tell them to take attendance. Send good morning, sir, here. Okay, first, virtual mean cannot be shown on a screen. Okay, jot down the answer. Cannot be shown on the screen one. Okay, number two, we are going to explain how the image is formed, right? First, you say ray from the fish refracted. Okay, this spelling is wrong. Frac, F-R-A-C. Okay, I find it very hard to write here. Refracted, F-A-R-C. Okay, refracted. Okay, R-E. Refracted. Okay, this spelling change. The light from the fish refracted or change direction. Okay, so the phenomenon is refraction. Okay, whereas for dragonfly is the light from the dragonfly, this is reflection. Okay, reflected. So remember, so I told you just now, right? This one is reflected. Okay, reflection. This one is refraction. Okay, when you see the fish, it's because the light bent, the light refracted. When you see the dragonfly, means the light get reflected. Okay, reflection. Yeah. What do you know? You all can understand?
Can.
Can. Okay, then calculation of theta. Okay, theta calculation. So you see here, I told you just now, right? 60 degree lah. Okay, you see here, find theta very easy lah. Because this angle same as this angle, angle incident, angle reflection same. So here 60. So theta 60 lah, right? Okay, to find this angle, you have to use a formula. N equal to psi I. Okay, I'll write the formula here now. N equal psi I over psi R. Remember now, when you use this formula, right, this angle must always bigger angle divided by smaller angle. Okay, big angle divided by small angle now. Then you see the diagram, who is big, who is small. You see here, alpha and 40. Who is bigger? Alpha bigger, right? So alpha put up here. R is 40. 40 is here. So this refractive index given in the question, okay? The question says 1.33, no? Reflective index is 1.33, okay? So this is 1.33 psi alpha over psi 40, okay? Then you get the answer. Okay, check the answer. Okay, 1.33 equal to sine alpha divided by sine 40. Use of calculator now until you get this answer lah. So the angle alpha is 58.75. Okay, can you understand? You understand lah? Many of these are the lazy fella all never come here, never wake up. This Wuhan, all these people. Okay, characteristics of the image you can put virtual, same size, same distance from the surface of the water, or laterally inverted. Laterally inverted means left go to right, right go to left. Okay, either one. You can give either one answer. Yeah. So center this question or not, everyone? Ng Yao Ping, you understand or not the answer?
Yes, yes.
Understand, Chan, understand? Tan Yi Jin? Yi Tong, understand? No sound. Jia En, do you understand?
Okay, okay.
Okay lah, Okay, thank you. Okay, remember so send good morning sir so that I need to record your attendance, as a proof. I need to take the evidence. Okay, come question C. They say question, okay? Table below show the design of torchlight PQRSC. This is a torchlight, Okay, let me explain how the torchlight function, So when you on the switch light, the bulb is the bulb, the torchlight got bulb one, isn't it? The bulb lighten up, okay? Then the light go out lah. But there are certain important things to make the light come out. The light is brighter one, First is the reflector. Reflector, you see now, there's a piece of something like a mirror here. Okay, this one is to reflect the light. You see, when the light from the bulb, the light go here. This one is direct, not bright enough one. Or the light go here, then get reflected, right? Or some of the light go here, hit the reflector, and then the light get reflected. Okay, by doing this, it will become brighter lah. So this reflector is very important. Understand? Okay, another thing I want to tell you that to make this light reflected horizontally, right? Horizontal means the light can go further. And then to have this horizontal reflected right, the bulb position is very important. You cannot simply put the bulb here, then you expect the light go horizontal. No, cannot. So the light bulb here must be placed at the focal point, F focal point. When this is in focal point of this reflector, this is a curve, isn't it? When this is a focal point, then the light hit the reflector will become horizontal. Understand? So position of the bulb is very important. So, okay, I think they are asking you about bulb. The bulb must be at focal point. Beyond mean cannot. Beyond principal focus cannot. This one is out. Concave reflector, concave. This is concave shape lah. Okay, concave. And battery. What about battery? Okay, how to arrange the battery so that the torchlight become brighter? Battery, there are two ways to arrange. Either you arrange in series or parallel. Understand? So how to put the battery parallel, better, or series so that the bulb will become brighter? Jia En, which one is better? Arrangement of the Series will become brighter, more current or parallel. Try lah, just try lah, jangan. Huh?
Series?
Yes, correct. This one better. You arrange series. I think when you use torchlight before, you know, right? The battery you put in one by one like that one, isn't it? Series one. Okay, series are because the current will be add up. Voltage also you total up. Like this bigger voltage, more current. So the torchlight become brighter. Understand? And what about this one? The wire. Wire use copper wire or use constant wire. Which one? Peng Yao Ping, which one? Use constant wire better, use copper wire, which one? Connect the battery. Use what wire better? Peng Yao Ping?
Copper.
Yes, copper wire. Because copper wire resistance lower, cannot. This constant, the wire resistance very high. Okay, not a good choice lah. Okay, now you look at the answer now. So roughly, can you tell me which one are you going to choose? Which one? PQRST. All the thing you know already. Which one we choose? Melissa? PQRST. Which one is the best? Now you go through that. See which one is the best at PQRST. Okay, I think it's here. Copper wire. Series. This one must be in series. Battery in series. This one located. No, this one at principal focus. This is at focal point. This one is good. And reflector, concave shape like that. Concave shape. Okay. This one also. I think the answer is Q. Right? Okay. How to write it out? So you need to write it out like this. Now you can copy down the answer in a table. Okay, like this. Okay, concave mirror. Use a concave mirror. The reason, converge the reflected ray. To converge, to focus means to focus the reflected ray. Converging means to focus. Okay. Concave mirror, or you can just write to reflect the light. To reflect the light horizontally, right? Okay. The second one, bulb must be located at the principal focus point or focal point. Okay. Reflected ray parallel, become parallel. This is what you want, right? Parallel means you can brighten a longer distance. And the battery connected in series. The reason is bigger current, bigger voltage. Okay, and use a copper wire like Yao Ping said. Reason, low resistance. Then we choose Q. Then you state the reason again. Okay, Q is chosen because it is concave mirror, bulb at the principal focus, battery in series, and copper wire. Okay, just state everything now. So you get 10 marks. Got it or not? If near to 9 o'clock, someone please remind me because this meeting I have to go one because Pengara also take attention like this one, one by one. Got it? Got all the answers. Sleep by you all. Sabrina. Okay, understand. Sabrina Tai. Musa already. Ping Yi, understand?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Okay, Okay, finish or not? At least you have 16 of you. Okay, thank you very much. 16 of you are better than nothing. Okay, you are good. You all can wake up early. Thank you very much. Okay, 16 of you. Okay, finish. Okay. Can everyone on your video come? A long time never see you all already. Can or not on your video just for a short moment? Can or not? Say hi on your video. Say hi. Can or not? Ping Yi, okay, start with you, Ping Yi. You sound.
Yes,
Ping-
sir.
Okay. Good morning. Well, your your hair long here. Never mind lah. Now nobody check your long hair. Okay.
Good. I go with
Now,
school.
Idris Young, can you on your video? Idris Young. Yeah. Okay. Good morning, Idris. Long time never see you. Okay. Vanessa. Can you on or not? Let me see you. Vanessa Tay. You shy again. Why terbalik one? Vanessa, why you miss terbalik one? Okay, it's okay lah. Ng Yao Ping, can you on or not? Ng Yao Ping. On a while, just 1 second also can lah. Ng Yao Ping.
Với bà Chu là
Why?
Why naked? Walao, wear baju lah. No respect one man.
Naked lah. Naked also never mind lah. Chan Yi Chin, show your face 1 second, can or not? Chan lah. Or too shy already. Sabrina, come on. Sabrina. Good one, already shy one. Golivan.
Not sleeping, sir.
Sleeping. Later you can sleep long. Okay lah, never mind lah. Jia En, can you show your face? Jia En.
Don't want, sir.
1 second lah, 1 second only. 1 second also cannot.
Faster lah, yo.
Be gentleman a bit more fast ma. Jia En. Okay, Yi Tong. Yi Tong no sound one. This never talk one. The class also never talk one. Yi Sao. Yo. No, the one to show. Ho Yin En. Show face, please. Ho Yin En.
Not lah.
Just 1 second or so. Why you want to shy? I see you all many time already in the class one also shy. Ho Yin En. Not sure. Hui Ming. Hui Ming No, we are very shy one. Tan, this is Tan who Tan. This is Tan what? Never mind since you are very shy Okay, remember send good morning sir, so that I record it, so I will take that one as your attendance okay Okay, we go to question number 2 now. At least 2 questions we can finish today At least you learn something, then later on go back to sleep. Okay, question number 2. Diagram show the student use a slide projector. This is slide projector to display a large, sharp image on the screen. This is an object, the slide. Slide is an object. So this is a lens, and then the image is formed here, right? So like the projector where teacher use in the science lab in the physics lab, I use a projector to project on the screen, right? Object is here. So you see our object distance 20. This is image distance 60. Then the image is here. This is a screen. Okay. So we are using convex lens. This is convex lens. Okay. We go through the question first. Roughly, I discuss a little bit. Then only we see the answer. What is meant by focal length? Focal length. What is focal length? Focal length is f. What is focal length? Focal point and focal length different one, you know. Okay, like I explain now. Focal point is a point where all the light focus to the point. All the light go through the lens, it will focus at one point. That one is focal point. Focal length is a distance between wave and wave. Focal length is a distance between the lens and the focal point. That distance now. Okay. Between the lens and the focal point. Okay, example is like this now. This is a lens, right? So there's a line. Okay, the line go here. Okay, very hard to draw lah. Then it will focus here, correct not? So this is focal point. Focal point is capital F. Okay. Then the distance from the center of the lens, here to here. Okay, here to here. This distance is focal length, small f. Very hard for me to write now. Use mouse. So focal length is here, distance between the lens and the focal point. Focal point is a point where all the light go through. Okay, okay, understand? Idris Young, understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Next one. Based on the diagram, calculate the linear magnification. Okay, linear magnification means you want to calculate how many times become bigger. To find linear magnification, you take image distance V divided by object distance V over U. Okay, V is here. This is image distance V. This is object distance U. Okay, so you take V divided by U, you get the linear magnification. From here, you know already lah. 60 divided by 20, so it's 3 times bigger. So the magnification is 3 lah. Okay. Focal length, to find focal length, not showing here, you know. How to find focal length? Anyone knows or not? Ping Yi, do you know how to find focal length? F. What formula? You need to calculate here. Okay. Use this formula. 1 over F, small f, equal 1 over U plus 1 over V. Okay, hard to write. I hope you can understand now. Okay, U is 20, V for 60. You calculate, you get the F lah, right? Focal length. Okay, then to find the power. Power, what formula? Must know one. How to find power? Jia En, how to find power? What formula? Tan Jia En. Tan Jia En go sleep already. She was the first one to ask her tomorrow extra class how, and now she sleep. Tan Jia En. How to find power? Power formula is what? P equal to? P equal to what?
I don't know, I forgot.
Ping Yi, do you know how to find power?
Yo, sir, I don't know leh.
You all don't know on the side. If you don't do revision, you all die. I tell you.
My soul haven't wake up.
Nah, you see lah. Okay, Vanessa, what about you? How to find power? P equal to what? Chan Yi Jin, how to find power? You don't know. Okay, never mind lah.
1 over F.
Very good. Correct. 1 over F. Power is 1 over F. But remember now, this F must be in meter, must change to meter, cannot use cm. Understand? Okay, all right, now all these you know the formula, right? Okay, now I show you the answer lah. So first question, the answer, focal length distance between optical center. Optical center means center of the lens lah, and the focal point. And linear magnification, use this formula lah. Image distance 60 divided by object distance 20. So you get 3. Okay, 3. And then find focal length, use this formula. 1 over 20, 1 over 60, blah, 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 blah. This time you do yourself lah, how to get this. when you are using this formula, right? These are all cm, so your answer will be cm lah. Because you never change, this one is cm, this one cm, right? So you get 15 cm. Okay. And for power, this one use 100 over F, means never change to meter now. If you use this formula, 1 over F. So you change to meter, you don't need to use this formula lah. 1 over F. Okay. So is 1 over the focal length meter 0.15. Okay. 0.15. Okay. So you get the same answer lah, 6.67 diopter. D diopter. Then don't sleep on you all. You're supposed to wake up, follow the timetable one, you know. See? 16 now at least got 16 people. But out of 16, how many are listening? Idris listen no Pingy listening
God.
Vanessa listening This Jaen disappeared already. Jaen.
No, sir, I'm here.
Yeah, but no sound. Okay. Chan Yijin disappeared already lah. Sure one Chan Yijin.
Sir, no, her mic broken.
Oh, okay. Now I understand. Sorry Chan. Okay. So this one settled already. Okay, now next part of the question. Okay, here. Because when you go back to school, you have to sit for the test. Even the tests are not so important now, but the test is for you to know yourself, knows your result. Okay. Okay. Now C. Explain why a piece of paper burns when placed under a convex lens aimed toward hot sun. Meaning it's like this lah. This is a lens, right? So they put a piece of paper here. The paper you put here Then you face under the hot sun. Okay, why the paper will burn it? I think very simple, because this lens will focus. You cannot draw. Focus all the light. I cannot draw. Focus the light here on the piece of paper. So all the energy focus on the paper. So it becomes hot. That's why it will burn. Correct not? Okay. Okay, this one you just see the answer copied down Answer is here. Okay. Parallel light from the hot sun pass through convex lens, right? Light rays are focused after passing through the lens, right? Then light rays are converged onto a very small area called focal point. At the point, intensity of light is high, causes increase in the temperature. So when the spot on the paper become hot enough, the paper start to burn. Okay, understand? So it's like this line. I draw here again. Okay. So the paper is here. Right? So the sun parallel one from the sunlight, you can take down the diagram So the lens will focus the light here. Focus the light. Okay. So all the energy focus on a certain point right? So this point become too hot, then it will start to burn. Understand? Okay. So everything here so please copy the answer. So the main idea here is what is the convex lens focus the light. Okay, converge. Another word is converging the light. They use the term converge. Where is it already? No, converging in focus same meaning one converge the light. Okay, understand? Okay, finish. Ang Yao Ping, finish or not?
No, no.
Not yet lah. Fast a bit lah. Ang Yao Ping copy lah. Must write, you know.
So I
We mean-
screenshot.
Screenshot lah. Screenshot lah. You have to write. When you write, then only you learn more, you know. You screenshot lah. So you keep inside your camera only. Not in your brain. Hui Ming, finish or not? Hui Ming. This Hui Ming no sound. No sound. I think must be sleeping already lah. Oh, Hui Ming. He Hui Ming. Now I think someone answer here. Q. Haven't sir. Okay, not finished yet. Now mine. Okay, hurry up a bit. Okay, done all. Okay, can we move on? We move on to the 10 marks question now. Okay. Can we Ming finish or not? Okay, come now. We move on now. Okay, next question is yes. Okay, Hui Ming finish already. So we move on now. Now this question. Long question I have to read first now. Diagram show 4 simple compound microscope. This is microscope with different specification. You are required to determine the most suitable microscope to examine a small specimen. Okay, microscope. There are few things here you are going to study and then to choose lah. First is the eyepiece. Okay, you look at this diagram, the microscope. There are two lenses here, no? When you put your eyes here, right? Your eyes are usually you see from the top, correct or not? Your eyes is here. So this is eyepiece. So here you got one convex lens. Another one is here. This is objective lens. You see, objective lens. So the specimen, the object you want to see, you put it here lah. So you see this is objective lens. This is your eyepiece. You can see here this is thicker. Thicker means this power is higher. Then the distance this distance is showing the object distance, you know, be very short. Short means focal length short lah. So this high power. When power high, the F focal length becomes short. The eyepiece is longer the distance. Okay. So this one low power, this one high power. Okay. And so roughly it's like this lor. Eyepiece, low power, objective lens, high power, you choose. Distance between the two lenses. Okay, distance from here to here. Do you remember not microscope? Okay. Just for your information. Okay. Aga is like that. I draw very fast. So objective lens is here. Eyepiece is here, right? The distance between these two lenses, okay, this one objective lens, you put the object here, okay, objective lens, eyepiece, right? This distance okay, now you see just now I said this focal length short, so the F is here, focal length short. Whether this focal length is longer, okay, maybe it's here, but they don't join one or there's a gap, you know. So this is focal length of objective length. So this is FO. Okay, I put here now. Small letter like FO. Okay. Focal length of objective length. This is focal length of eyepiece, FE. Okay. So I say it again now. FO is this distance now, distance between the objective lens and the focal point, FO. This one is FE, distance between the focal point and the lens lah. There's a gap here. When there's a gap here, so we make this distance, right? The distance D equal, not equal, must be bigger, sorry. This distance must be bigger than FO plus FE, okay? Can you all see or not? Me, can you all see?
Can.
This distance now must bigger than FO plus FE. No, is it FO is here. FE is here because of this gap, so we make the distance bigger lah, bigger than FO plus FE. So remember now. Okay. So this one done already. This one is correct lah, bigger than FO plus FE. Okay. Position of the spacement. This spacement must put where? Smaller than FE. Or between 1F and 2F, the spacement where to put? Okay, the spacement, okay, I think should be this one, between 1F, 2F. Must put it between 1 focal length and 2 focal length, the distance. Okay? Then, so out of all this, so we choose which one, the distance must be this one. Distance of the object, the spacement, must put between 1F, 2F. Okay? But this one wrong already, must bigger, So which one is the answer? I think the best is this one. Yeah. See, eyepiece 14 diopter, lower power. Objective lens, I told you just now, higher power, correct not? 20 diopter, higher power lah. Distance between the two lenses bigger than FO plus FE. And the position of spacement must be between 1F and 2F. Okay? Between 1F and 2F. So I think the answer is M lah. Okay? Do you know how to write the answer? Choose this one, keep the reason. 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 Finally, make conclusion. Then can write or not? Jia En can write.
Cannot.
Cannot. Okay, cannot. Then see the answer. Okay. Where is the answer? Okay, here now. Power of eyepiece, right? Low power. The reason is low power eyepiece are not objective lens. Start with the eyepiece. Low power. The reason is focal length is longer. Okay, focal length is longer. The power small, the F focal length will become longer. Okay, when the power is high, the focal length F becomes shorter. So the reason eyepiece are okay. Come, show you this one first lah. You might take our time lah. Just now I draw a diagram here, right? Now you see here lah, class. Look at here. This is eyepiece. This is objective lens. You see this focal length long one, long. This focal length is short. Short means this is high power, short focal length. Then this low power, then the focal length is longer. Must be like that. Okay. Then only can make the final image become big. This focal length must be long, eyepiece, and objective length, focal length must be short. Understand? Okay, now go back to the answer. Okay. Then power of objective length must be high power. High power, then focal length shorter. This is what you want, must be shorter focal length. Okay. Got it now? Okay, next. Just now, objective lens, high power, powerful lens, and eyepiece. Objective lens must shorter focal length, okay? And the distance between the lenses must bigger than FO plus FE. The reason is produce bigger image from the eyepiece to produce bigger image or to increase the magnification. That is the reason. To make the final image larger, okay? Increase magnification. And the last one is position of a specimen, the object must be between 1F and 2F. Between bigger than 1F but smaller than 2F. The reason is produce a real inverted and magnified image. Okay. When you place the object between 1F, 2F, you will get real inverted and magnified image. Okay, understand now? Last, give the conclusion. Most suitable microscope is M, so keep the reason now. Focal length eyepiece is long. Okay. Distance between the lenses greater than this, and the position of specimen is between 1F, 2F, and so on. Okay. Can
So I eat first.
So far, I can follow the two questions or not? Beatrice Young can follow.
Can.
Can only two questions, finish. Yao Ping can follow. Peng Yao Ping.
Can.
Can Jia En, okay or not? Han Jia En.
Okay, okay.
Okay now, now one fellow come in. You know who? I want to finish already, then only he come in on this. But never mind lah. Late better than never, all right? Okay, come. We still got a little bit time. Calculation, last part. Question number 3, we do a little bit. Okay, come. Let's read the question. Total internal reflection. I hope you all know what is that. Total who on? I need to answer a phone call. Who can in? Hello. Chào. 今天他昨天来做工，今天可能他没有在。有人 office 有开啦，不过他有没有在我就不大 sure 了。28236619。你打去问。你的那个 deposit 你拿了吗？应该是你的 deposit 或者是你那个水电表的 deposit 他对他应该是没有在，他昨天我有去，他有在昨天，他们是 rotate 的。你打个电话，你找 Rosalita 啦，那个新那个咯。 Rosalita 新那个有看过他吗？对不对？对对对对对check 全部是经过他的手的啊啊，直接你打个电话去问问看那个 Chief 管钱那个有没有在啦。今天我没有去学校，因为在家开会，还不知道啦，还没有公布，至少都要2个礼拜后咯。至少啦，现在还没有公布，真正的期还不懂。OK 啊，OK 啊，我在教做书呢，我在教做书对对，在家教做书。OK， 好好。2823619。OK OK 好 OK 好好，拜。OK， sorry the school canteen lady call. Total internal reflection occur when light travel from denser medium to less than medium and the angle incident greater than critical angle. Okay, come. Like this, let's say this is water. Okay, this is A. This is water. Water is denser, correct not? So water tensor A less than. So when the light move from tensor to less than, this is a normal line, right? So it will get reflect. Okay, normally the light go out, so the light will go this way, correct not? Like that. Normal is like that, correct not? Refraction. But when this angle is big enough, so what happened? The light will never go out here. No, this one never happen. So we get reflected internally. Okay, so this is total internal reflection. So it will reflect inside the water. Total internal reflection. Okay, the condition is this angle must be bigger than the critical angle C. Critical angle. Okay. When this angle bigger than the critical angle, right? So the light will be reflected internally. So this total internal reflection. Okay, must be bigger than C, you know. If exactly critical angle, so the light go here, horizontal, follow the surface. Follow here. When this is exactly critical angle C, the light go here. When this angle bigger than C, so it come back. This is total internal reflection. Okay. Yeah. So what is meaning of critical angle? Critical angle means angle incident where the reflection angle is 90 degrees. So I told you just now, you follow here, right? This angle 90. So when this is critical angle, so the angle reflection become 90 degrees. Okay, when follow here, exactly this is C. When bigger than C, it come back total internal reflection. Okay. Yeah. Write an equation to show the relation between the C and the reflective index. So the formula N equal to 1 over psi C. Do you remember the formula? Okay. Okay, N equal to 1 over psi C, critical angle C. This is refractive index. And second part, use this equation, explain why total internal reflection easy to happen in diamond compared to the glass. Okay. Okay. Why total internal reflection? Okay, and let me explain here now. When the critical angle is small critical angle, then total internal reflection are easier to happen, you know. When this angle is small, the critical angle smaller. When the critical angle is smaller means easy to happen total internal reflection. But when this critical angle is big means very hard to have total internal reflection. The reason is this angle must be bigger than the C. Now, when the C is small, then it's good, very easy to happen. That's the reason for diamond. Diamond easy to have total internal reflection. That's why you see the diamond now very shiny, right? So all the light got stuck inside. The light cannot come out. The light stuck inside the diamond. Why? Because diamond has very small critical angle. Small critical angle make more light will go in can bigger than the critical angle so all the light will be reflected internally. That's the reason. Okay. Okay, come, let's see the answer. I need to go enjoy the meeting already. Okay, just see the answer. Now they are calling already. Okay, the answer. What is the meaning of critical angle? Okay, the answer is angle incident where the angle refraction is 90. This is the answer. What is the meaning of critical angle? Is angle incident when angle refraction is 90. Okay. And second one, the equation of refractive index is this n equal to 1 over psi c. Okay. And last part of the question, they ask you to explain why the diamond, right, easy to have total internal reflection. Okay, so you calculate the reflective index. So use a formula n equal 1 over psi c, right? N for diamond, you substitute the diamond for n, right? For glass, n is given, the reflective index of glass is 1.5. Diamond is 2.4, right? Okay, so you do like this. So you put here 1.5 for glass, 1.5 equal to 1 over psi c, okay? 1.5 equal 1 over psi c. So you find the c, so you get 41.8. So the angle is big. When angle big, the refractive index is smaller, okay? Because when this angle big, right? C is big, right? So refractive index smaller, 1.5 only, refractive index smaller, 1.5, correct not? Whereas for diamond, you use a formula to calculate, you get 24.6. So the critical angle is smaller, okay? Critical angle smaller. So the conclusion is, the smaller the critical angle, the easier total internal reflection to happen. Okay, so the answer is like that. Yeah. Okay. So I think for today I have to stop here already, If later on you got any time or what you're willing to join, you just inform me I will continue the lesson If you're willing just tell me Ping Yi can or not? Ping Yi Jia En if later on after my meeting you are willing to join, just tell me
Yeah, anytime can.
Can. 2 o'clock I got this panitia meeting doesn't matter one. Okay. But you have to contact other people if they're willing to join, can let me know Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I need to leave now Okay. Thank you very much everyone Okay. Good morning. Thank you very much. Okay. Anyone here haven't record your attendance here? Just send good morning, sir. Then I know your name already. Okay. So send already? Everyone send or not? Okay. So if possible, I want to see you all in the afternoon. Can or not? Okay. Ping Yi, you contact other, then you let me know.
Okay.
Okay. So you're very tired and now you can go back to sleep. Okay. So I see you again later. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Yes,
Bye-bye.
bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye